Hello, gardeners! Zucchini is a favorite in the garden, but it's also popular with pests like squash bugs and vine borers. In this video, I'll show you how to identify these pests and manage them organically. First up, let's talk about identifying these common zucchini pests. Squash bugs are those pesky brown insects that feed on zucchini leaves, causing yellowing and wilting. Vine borers, on the other hand, tunnel into the stems and cause plants to collapse. Spotting them early is key to saving your zucchini. Now, let's dive into some organic pest control methods. For squash bugs, inspect your plants regularly and remove them by hand, dropping them into soapy water. For vine borers, cover your young plants with row covers until they flower. And don't forget, applying neem oil every week can help control both pests naturally. Preventive tips are just as important for keeping your zucchini plants healthy. Remove plant debris at the end of the season to reduce pest overwintering. Try rotating your crops each year to avoid pest buildup. These simple steps can help prevent pests from becoming a major issue. With a proactive approach, you can keep your zucchini plants healthy and productive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.